After setting up your employees, you're now ready to run your first payroll. To run payroll, click the payroll link on the left-hand side and then click Employees. Now click Run Payroll. QuickBooks opens up a window where you can indicate first where you're going to pay from. We'll choose our checking account. We'll enter our pay period, and then we enter our pay date. Next, we'll enter our employee information, including their regular pay hours and any other information. Let's suppose the employee worked 8 overtime hours. And that was it. And we decided to give them a $100 bonus. We could add all of that detail here. And we can tab through each of the fields and enter as much information as required. We can see at the end of the line our total pay for the employee. To review this in more detail, click the pencil icon to review. Now we see each of the pay line items in detail, starting with regular pay, going down and totaling all of the pay items. Now we can click the down arrow next to employee taxes to see the taxes the employee is paying. Likewise for the employee deductions, in this example, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan. And then we can click on Employer Taxes, and we can see the company contributions. After reviewing that information, click OK. After confirming that all of the information is correct and has been entered, click Preview Payroll. There we see exactly what the payroll will mean for our company, including the net pay and the employees component, as well as the employer's component. After reviewing this information, click Submit Payroll. This finalizes the paycheck for the employee. Now, we can click to enter a check number, or we can print pay stubs. Click Finish Payroll to complete your first payroll run.